Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Somebody did ask me that they wanted to see a full breakdown of my crypto holdings, so I figured I'd just go on CoinBase and show you guys. As of right now, my portfolio for crypto is about, I want to say a little bit, like it's actually $4,500. Even though my portfolio balance on Coinbase says 4,000, I actually own about $500 worth of Litecoin also on Robinhood. Um, so, I mean, let's start breaking it down, right? OX I actually own about $86. I always thought this was an interesting coin. OX, I think, is used for gambling. So it's like a gambling coin, which is what I like. And then let's go to one of my favorite ones, Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens is actually one that I think is going to be huge within the next couple of maybe for this like next bull run, possibly, for the next couple of years. But for Stellar Lumens, XLM, I actually own 822 bucks. For basic attention token is actually one that was getting really, really, really big. And it's basically used for kind of like its main purpose is kind of like for advertisement. So you actually pay people using the BAT, what is it called, the BAT browser. And you can actually pay people with this token, which is pretty nice. But still, it's kind of been consolidating for like the longest time, but it's just one thing that I wanted to hold. XRP, as some of you guys may know, it's my biggest holding, to over 2,000 bucks. But I do like it. I think XRP is probably going to be my favorite, as of right now, my favorite crypto. And then we have Chainlink, about 178 bucks. Chainlink, I think there was like an announcement with Walmart or something a while back, and that's why it blew up like this. For Bitcoin Cash, small holding, 40 bucks. Bitcoin Cash, I just bought it just because it was Bitcoin Cash. No real reason. And then Bitcoin, obviously, I have about $585 worth of Bitcoin. Not too big of a holding because I do think that Bitcoin, as of right now, I mean, if you wanted a good multiple, Bitcoin is probably not the case. I mean, if you bought Bitcoin right now at $20,000, you would need it to go to 100,000 to actually do a 5x. Whereas with XRP, my average price in the XRP is somewhere like maybe 30-40 cents. And if I wanted, XRP to do a 5x, I would need XRP to go to like maybe, in order for it to do a 5x at 30 cents, average price 40 cents, I mean, I would need it to go to maybe like $2, which is more than possible with XRP, and it would do a 5x. And if anything, there's the multiple on XRP is bigger because it's going to it might hit 384. So at that point, I would have done maybe like a I don't know, 3.9, like over 9x, basically, like around a 10x plus, because my average buying is like 30 cents, 40 cents, I think. And the last one that I own is actually Ethereum Classic. I don't own any Ethereum. I do like Ethereum. And I do think Ethereum is probably the second best crypto in the whole crypto market. Obviously, Bitcoin first. I do think as far as use case, it's Bitcoin, and then it's Ethereum, and then after that, I think it's like EOS or something. I'm not sure. But as far as like my favorite crypto, I'm still probably gonna go with Bitcoin first, then XRP, and then probably Doggy, right? But yeah, this is my Ethereum Classic. I only have about $100 worth, so that's kind of like a full breakdown of my crypto portfolio, I guess. And some of you guys asked, so I figured I'd just kind of show you guys. I mean, $4,000 isn't all that much. There's plenty of people who have hundreds of thousands, not hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crypto, right? But not a huge portfolio, but not a small one either. But yeah, this is just kind of it, really. I'll see you guys later.